Welcome to our video presentation titled ABE Seal Explained, its purpose and importance in the ABE profession. In the field of agricultural and biosystems engineering, our work affects food systems, water security, farm productivity, and community safety. To ensure that all professional ABE services meet legal and ethical standards, the law requires licensed practitioners to use an official ABE seal. Today, we'll explain what the seal is, its purpose, and why it plays a critical role in responsible engineering practice.
The ABE seal is the official mark used by licensed agricultural and biosystems engineers in the Philippines. Think of it as the engineer's signature. When an ABE signs and seals documents, it confirms that a qualified, licensed professional prepared or supervised the work. It also shows accountability, since the stamp documents and reflects the engineer's expertise and legal responsibility.
The legal basis for the Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering Seal comes from Republic Act of 10915, also known as Republic Act of Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering Act of 2016, and its implementing rules and regulations. The law states that only licensed agricultural biosystems engineers can prepare, sign, and seal plans, specifications, feasibility studies, and other technical documents related to agricultural and biosystems facilities, machines, and systems. This ensures that engineering activities follow national regulations and recognize professional standards.
The ABE seal serves several important purposes. First, it protects the public by making sure only qualified professionals design and approve agricultural structures, irrigation systems, post-harvest facilities, renewable energy systems, and environmental management projects. Secondly, it maintains professional integrity. The seal shows that the engineer stands behind their work. And lastly, it strengthens the credibility of our profession by setting a clear ethical and technical benchmark.
In practice, ABEs use the seal when signing engineering drawings, project reports, certifications, and calculations. These documents may be submitted to the government agencies like the DA, LGUs, DENR, and other regulatory offices. When engineers review, revise, or approve plans for construction, operations, or environmental compliance, the seal acts as the final validation that the work meets engineering standards and has been checked by a licensed practitioner.
The ABE seals directly supports public safety, agricultural and biosystems facilities, deal with heavy machinery, water systems, energy, and biological processes. A poorly designed structure or system can cause accidents, crop loss, contamination, or environmental damage. By requiring a licensed ABE to seal the work, the law promotes ethical practice, accountability, and informed decision-making. The seal reminds practitioners that every technical judgment has real-world impact on people, farms, and ecosystems.
The seal strengthens its accountability. Once an engineer signs and seals a document, they accept professional and legal responsibility for its correctness and quality. This encourages ABEs to follow engineering standards, conduct accurate calculations, verify data, and of course, to ensure its safety design. It also discourages for unauthorized practices, since only registered professional can legally use the seal.
Using the ABE seal is a both privilege and a duty of a licensed practitioner. Licensure proves that an individual has passed the board exam. has the required competency, and is authorized by the PRC to practice the profession. The seal acts a continuous reminder that ABEs must follow the code of ethics, uphold professional conduct, and serve the public with honesty, responsibility, and technical excellence. When we use the seal, we represent not only ourselves, but the entire ABE profession.
In summary, the ABE seal is more than a stamp. It is a symbol of trust, responsibility, and professional integrity. It ensures that agricultural and biosystem projects are designed by qualified experts who follow legal, ethical, and engineering standards. As future ABEs, we must understand its purpose and use it with the seriousness it deserves.